Assalamu alaikum to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank ICAZ-2020 for providing us a great opportunity to share our research work with the scientific community. My name is Kaleem Ullah. I am MPhil scholar at Department of Zoology, Wildlife and Fisheries at University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. My topic was population dynamics and community structure of pests and their natural enemies in rice crop. Basically, rice is considered as important cereal crop and affected by insect pest species from planting till harvesting. Population of arthropod is known to change with the growth of the rice crop and play a significant role in the crop yield. The trial was conducted at the Entomological Research Field Area, Yangwala, Department of Entomology, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. The field was divided into blocks and sub-blocks using RCBD layout. The results showed that pest populations was recorded more than their natural enemies. The pest population was recorded maximum during the month of September to end of October, and the population of natural enemies was on peak in the start of September but reduced at the mid to end of the October. The population of rice leaf folder was on peak during the rice leaf folder. Is a main pest of the rice crop. Its population was maximum during the third to fourth week of the September, but a dramatic change has been seen in that particular pest, that its population increased at the end of the October also. Regarding rather the other insect pests. If we talk about the natural enemies, so its natural enemies population also dramatically changed during the September to October, but maximum population was recorded at the third to fourth week of the September. The rice crop nursery was planted to carry out the experiment during the crop season 2019. The insect pests and their natural assessment was started with the first appearance of population on the crop. The data was collected in the rice crop by using fixed sampling method for the purpose of synchronization of the insect pests and their natural enemies. The number of insect pests and their natural enemies were recorded on regular basis. The total area was divided into blocks and sub-blocks using RCBD layout. Plants were selected and tagged for sampling insect pests and natural enemies. Each sampling site was recorded as the replication. The sampling was done thrice a week. The result showed that in the start of September, population of rice leaf folder was low as compared to the end of the September and start of October. The population dynamics of beet webworm moth, which is also a insect pest, show peak during the second week of this September. Then decline in the population was recorded towards October. The rice sting bug population was on peak during the third week of September and declined towards October. If we talk about the population of the natural enemies, population dynamics of ladybird beetle, results show that maximum population was recorded in the third week of September and minimum population was in the second week of September and both of October. Overall, the result of current study showed that the natural enemies population was maximum at vegetational and flowering stage. Similarly, most of pest of rice was also in high number at this stage except rice leaf folder that was maximum at grain stage. The result depicts that in addition to natural enemies, there is a need of other integrated pest management strategies to keep pests below economical threshold level. And there is a need of flowering biodiversity in the field to encourage the natural enemies population in the rice crop. At the end, I want to pay thanks to Department of Entomology UAF who supported me to conduct this research financially and technically. I also gratitude to field staff who helped me for conducting this trial.